Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you've recently rooted your Android device or are considering it, knowing whether your device has proper root access is essential. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best root checker apps that can help you verify your device's rooting status quickly and easily. These tools are perfect for anyone who wants to ensure everything is set up correctly. So, let's dive right in and find the ideal root checker for your needs. Root Checker app. Root Checker app is a popular and straightforward tool that allows users to quickly verify whether their Android device has been successfully rooted. With a simple interface, this app makes it easy for anyone to check root access with just a few taps. After running the check, the app provides a clear and detailed report on the status of root permissions, helping users understand if their rooting process was successful. Additionally, it includes helpful information and troubleshooting tips for those who encounter issues with rooting. Overall, Root Checker app is an excellent choice for users who want a basic yet effective root verification tool. Advanced Root Checker. Advanced Root Checker takes root verification a step further by providing detailed information not only about root access, but also about the overall health of the device regarding rooting. This app offers multiple testing methods to confirm root access, ensuring reliable results. In addition to checking for root privileges, it provides insights into the status of various system features, such as BusyBox, which is often essential for rooted devices. The app's user-friendly interface and quick results make it a great option for both novice and experienced users who want comprehensive information about their device's rooting status. Root Checker Android. Root Checker Android is another effective app designed to help users verify if their device has root access. This app offers a straightforward and easy-to-navigate interface, making it accessible for everyone. After conducting the root check, users receive clear results and detailed explanations of what the findings mean. Root Checker Android is useful not only for checking root access, but also for ensuring proper configuration of rooting tools. The app also includes features that allow users to understand the implications of rooting their device, assisting them in making informed decisions. With its simplified approach and informative feedback, Root Checker Android is a solid choice for anyone wanting to confirm their device's root status. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best root checker apps helps you confirm the root status of your Android device with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful app recommendations and tech tips. Have you tried any of these apps? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.